Hello friends, I foresee there is going to be a very big demand in absorption of small office spaces in terms of rent as well as for sale. Post COVID, there were many new businesses which people had, kept on hold to start once the vaccine comes out. Now things are pretty clear and we are just coming out of this pandemic. People are looking forward to start off their new ventures. So, considering everything, there will be a big demand on absorption of smaller office spaces. It can start from 350 square feet to around 800 square feet. You will see there's going to be a huge demand. I recommend any active investor or a property buyer in if you are able to see any small offices in this size, kindly pick it up. We will be there to help you out in renting it, plus we will be also there in helping you in buying one. Now I am looking forward to identify places for sale as well as for rent in this size bracket. As I'm seeing, there will be a lot of clients coming forward to start off their ventures. Gone are the days when a bigger office space people were requiring. Majority of work has become digitized now, and there need not be any office going hours or office going people now. Any offices, any consultancy firm would require an on-site office, a very small one, and off-site, they can do anywhere. I am seeing a great demand emerging. This is a very niche market, which any of you looking forward to do, kindly do it. Kindly buy any if you're getting a good deal in a smaller office space. Kindly buy it. We will help you out in renting it. Or if anybody of you is looking to buy, do get in touch with us, because now we are in the process of identifying a lot of properties in this price range and in this size bracket. Just as a benchmark, in the size bracket of say 300 to 800 square feet, you can get any pretty good commercial office space from a good building somewhere in the range of say 30 lakhs onwards to 80 lakhs. It is a good buy. You won't even get a residential property in that range. Plus, you can expect a good rent, say between 40 rupees to 80 rupees a square feet. People will be able to afford a small office space rather than a bigger office space. There, they will not calculate on per square feet basis. Suppose if you have a 350 square feet office, and if the going rate in that area of an office space is 40 rupees, so it will come up to around 15,000. Don't calculate that. You can get a rent of around 25,000 rupees. So per square feet, if you calculate, a smaller office will fetch you a larger larger rental revenue. Vishal here from SSB Properties. Kindly get in touch with me. My numbers are 9611107558. My dear friends, look into this aspect of investment and go forward. It can be any part of Bangalore. If you are getting anything, please pick it up. For any advice, do call me up. Signing off. Take care.